Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri style onion chutney or Gandè Chetin. Gandè means onion in Kashmiri. It's an extremely renowned Kashmiri onion chutney, very hot in taste and induce the taste buds to eat more. Made with piquancy of onions, tartness of vinegar, vibrant color of red chilies, it's super appetizing side dish highlighting the meal with an extra zest. So let's get started. For making this simple and hot chutney, I have taken around 2 cups of washed onions thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh green coriander, 4 de-seeded green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of dried crushed mint leaves, quarter teaspoon of black cumin seeds. It's optional but it gives a good flavor, and chilies can be adjusted according to your taste. Now in a bowl of onions I have added salt, chili powder, green chilies, chopped coriander, dried mint, cumin seeds. Mix properly. And then add vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and substitute could be lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix properly till all the ingredients are mixed nicely. And here the chutney is ready to serve. You can keep it aside for half an hour before serving so that all the flavors are enhanced nicely with the onions. This is a very common onion chutney in Kashmir, paired with any dish to elevate and enhance and give a harmonious relish to the dish. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notifications. Have a nice day.